So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. A big thank you to everyone who have sent the birthday wishes. I hope you guys had an immaculate holiday with your families and your friends, and I want to say put God first, yeah, and happy new year. And I wish for you guys a prosperous one. Please guys, stay with me because I have a whole lot of wonderful recipes to share with you guys. Guys, I can't thank you enough. Please be safe. Happy New Year and a prosperous one. I truly appreciate you, and I want you guys to stay healthy, stay strong, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye bye.